Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, do you wanna come see me? Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Here we go. I braided her hair off camera. Cornrows going back, it's super flat in the back, and all I'm doing is going around her edges with the alcohol to get all any oil or dirt that's on her face, so that when I start laying the wig down and the stocking cap, it won't lift. You guys, I got these pantyhose from the Dollar Tree because someone said, I saw a lady do a video and she said that she got some pantyhose from Dollar Tree, and the stockings were, the knee highs were way better than the ones we order. And I agree, you guys. I really do agree. It took less time for it to dry, and it was way flatter. And I was just spraying the Ebin, what is that called? I do this every freaking time I do a video. The Ebin, I'll put it in the description box. What is the word for that? It's not elastic, it's adhesive lace spray. That's what it is. I love that stuff, you guys. And I'm just putting that down to lay the stocking cap down. Why am I fanning like that? I could have easily got the dryer, plugged the dryer up. I was so off this morning. I went to bed late, you guys, because I was doing laundry, cleaned all the bathrooms, because I didn't want to do it today, because I know I have customers today, you know, and this is Monday, and it's my off day. But lately I've been working on my off day. Hell, my husband is out on the road. I might as well. You guys just saw that I cut the top of the stocking cap off. That's gonna lay flat, and then the back I tie it in a knot and then cut the excess stocking cap off. And this is the wig that I made last week. I think I uploaded that on Monday. I'll put the link to that video in the description box. Also, and we're watching right now, we were watching Steph and Tasha, or Steph and Tasha, and they were doing struggle meals, you know, things people ate when they didn't have no money, or things that they ate to stretch until they got more money or whatever. And then the next one we were watching was people's pregnancy cravings. You guys, I have to say, when I colored that wig, when it was on the styrofoam head, I didn't like it. I mean, I like the color, but I was like, I don't know. But I do that every time I make a wig for my clients. I can't really see its full potential until it's on my client. And right now, I'm just laying her, getting her hairline ready with the Ghost Bond glue. Put a little bit of cool air on it, put another layer on there. Smooth that out, baby, smooth that out. Do one more layer, you guys. And she, every time she gets one wig, she thinks of another one she wants. Right now, I have hair on my sewing machine desk, and I need to make her a wig with. It's like the ombre colored hair, where it's dark at the roots, then it gets brown, then it gets blonde on the ends. So that's gonna be her next wig. And then she saw this blue-black wig that she wants me to make. So I gotta order the hair for that. She always say, okay, that's it after this, that's it. And then she comes right on back and say, you know what? I want this. I'm like, okay. And it's my job to give them what they want, okay? Okay, I'm gonna pull the lace down into the glue. And I even sprayed some Ebin adhesive on there too. That thing is on there, y'all. That thing is on there. Just cutting those little border, the little edge things. The camera just fell. Not the camera, the phone just fell. And I want to put that part further down on the right hand side, but you know, I can only do what they let me do, y'all. And when I plucked her edges the last time, it was proper. It was perfect. But in her head, she didn't want it plucked, just with a little bit of baby hair out. Because when you pluck it like that, she said it's like a project hairline. No, it's a realistic hairline. But guess what? Like I said before, I got to do what my clients want me to do. I told her to hold her hair. She started holding the scarf. After I finish my 11 o'clock, you guys, I think I'm going to lay down and take a nap. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm about to just flat iron her hair and press the hairline, you guys, and you guys will see that in a hot second. Right now I'm just tacking the back down because she doesn't take her wigs off until she comes to see me and get it redone again, and she'll keep that up for about 2 to 3 weeks. The last time she did real good. She kept it on for 3 weeks. You guys, this hair feels so good. Even after me putting all the color on it, bleach, color, toning and all that stuff, this hair still flat ironed really, really good. And it felt so good. And I love the thickness of the hair. I think she has 2 2.5 bundles and a 4x4 closure. Yep, and the hair is 20 inches. Now, sometimes you gotta do some little sneaky stuff with your clients. She's like, I don't want no 20-inch, no 20-something inch hair. But then the last time she said she wanted the hair a little bit longer. The last time her hair was 18 inches. So I guess she figured it's 18 inches, so it's not 20. So she said she was like, I'll leave it like this. But then when I put it in the ponytail, okay, fine. So guess what length hair she has? She has 20-inch hair. And I just knew she was gonna say it was too long. Actually, no, it's 22-inch hair, and I knew I was gonna have to trim it up. So that's what I did. I trimmed it, and that made it 20 inches. I'm just pressing the part area to make it smooth. That stuff laid so dang on flat, y'all. It laid so flat, I couldn't get the knot out of that head wrap. When I tell you it laid so smooth, I love it when a plan comes together. Now I'm just getting the excess glue off of her hairline. Now I'm doing it with alcohol. So you know what? Let me go in and spray some of this adhesive remover off. On her hairline. So I protected her hairline. I just did that and got that off of her face, you guys. I did ask her, did she want baby hair? She only wanted baby hairs on the side where the part was, not the other part. So I did just that. Did I turn the chair around so you guys can see? I can't even see. Nope, I don't think I did. I should have. My apologies, you guys. My apologies. My 11 o'clock customer just texted me. And I guess she's saying she's on her way, or either she's not coming, one of the two, but I will know in a hot second. Okay, you guys, she said she's bringing her sister-in-law with her. Look at this, that one little piece of baby hair right there. But that's cool, that's cool. Now all I'm doing is putting the makeup on the part. Yeah, I don't be doing all that bleaching, other knots and stuff like that when I can get the makeup, or I can use the tinting spray. I ain't about to be doing all that. And it looks just fine, you guys, just fine. This is where I cut it. And I always tell her, be still, put your arms down, don't move, keep your head. And what does she do? She starts talking and want to turn her head. And I'm sorry you guys can't see that either. Woo, I'm sleepy. I was up late last night, you guys. I'm so sleepy. She has, the last time she came, I had like 5 wigs that I shampooed, conditioned, and styled for her, put them on the styrofoam heads. So when she comes with them, they're already ready, and it makes my job easier. And put a little bit of hairspray on the part area, and then if it still looks too makeup-y, I'll go back in and I put a little bit of oil sheen on my finger and put it on the part. It looked too light, so I went in with a different color. Then I just went in with some little sheen, put it on the part, and bam, it was perfect, baby. It was perfect. What am I doing? What, Lola, what are you doing? What are you doing, girl? Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, you guys, this is the unit before I put it on her head. And this is the unit, and this is the unit after it was installed.